In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password from a PowerPoint presentation. There could be situations where you need to access or share your presentation more easily, and removing the password will simplify this process. Let's walk through this step by step. First, go to your computer's desktop and look for the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open the Start menu. From here, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If you don't see it right away, you can search for it using the search bar within the Start menu. Once PowerPoint is open, your next task is to open the password-protected file you wish to modify. When prompted, go ahead and enter the current password to gain access to the presentation. After you've successfully gained access to your presentation, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the File tab. Clicking this will display a menu. In this menu, locate and select the Info option, which provides various details and settings for your document. As we continue, the next step involves managing the presentation's security settings. Look for the Protect Presentation option. It should be easy to spot as it's accompanied by an icon. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select Encrypt with Password. This is where you'll make the necessary change to remove the password. In this Encrypt with Password section, you'll see a field where the current password is entered. To remove the password protection, simply delete all the text in this field, leaving it completely empty. It's crucial to ensure no extra spaces or characters remain in the field, as this could inadvertently set a new password. Once the password field is clear, you'll need to confirm this action by clicking the OK button. This step solidifies your decision to remove the password protection from your presentation. The last thing left is to save your presentation so that all changes take effect. To do this, simply click on the Save icon or visit the File tab again and select Save from the menu. Now, once the presentation is saved, any password protection will be removed. The next time you or anyone else opens this PowerPoint file, there won't be a need to enter a password. This will make sharing and accessing the document much smoother and more convenient. Following these steps will help you efficiently remove the password from your PowerPoint presentation, ensuring it can be accessed and shared more freely. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on simplifying your digital work life.